to you about Rachel Ruysch. She's a Dutch painter with a long lifespan, as you can see, from 1664 to 1750. And she's active then from the late 17th century through the first half of the 18th century. She's primarily known as a flower painter. She paints fruits, flowers, and as we'll see, little animals in some of her flower paintings. She was born in Amsterdam, and her career spans almost 70 years. Her father was a professor of anatomy and botany and was an amateur painter. And so we think that it must have been his encouragement and his example that perhaps sparked her interest. And that knowledge of botany and having all of the specimens around would have given her plenty of opportunities to make very accurate observations of the different plants and little creatures as well. She has an international reputation as one of the greatest of the Dutch still life painters. During her lifetime, she commanded very high prices, and her reputation never faltered. It continues to this day. She has a very enduring reputation for the excellence of her work in flower painting. Now, we had mentioned Willem van Alst before as the person who was trying to get Maria van Oosterwijk to marry him. Well, we're going to hear now about Willem van Alst again. Rachel Ruysch was apprenticed to him when she was about 15 years old, which would 14 or 15 be a normal time for someone to be apprenticed. So in 1679, she was apprenticed. And in 1693, she married another painter, in this case a portrait painter, Jurien Poel, and they had 10 children.